Hey everyone, today I want to showcase a really useful website that I have found to be very helpful to make YouTube content and thumbnails. This website is called PidgeyWiki. It's basically a website that stores all original PNG and JPEG files from video games and logos and all these things. If you're picky like me, you would like to find original artwork and things from video games that you might not find anywhere else. These are original file pieces. That means they are of full quality. One really useful application of this is finding originally sized renders of Smash Bros. Fighters. For example, we have this hero render, which is at full resolution. There are countless Pokemon renders that can be found at full resolution, which is really neat for people who want to use high quality images for thumbnails. This website has an extensive library of Fire Emblem, Pokemon, and other games as well. So make sure if you like this video to like, subscribe, comment, and make sure you use PidgeyWiki to get all your fully original sized renders. Thank you for watching.